This little piece of hair is driving me crazy. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So what I typically do for my everyday, if I had an everyday makeup look, what I would do is I usually would go in with the It Cosmetics CC cream. So I'm gonna go ahead, and this one is actually in light, which is usually the one that I tend to use on my everyday makeup looks. So I'm gonna take about a pump of that. I forgot to do my primer. So we're gonna go in with, it's the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. So take about that much. And I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Oh my god, this stuff smells amazing. Once I distribute it evenly all over my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and just push it into my skin. Okay, so now I'm going in with that pump of the CC cream, and I'm going to grab it on my finger and then just kind of swipe it all over my face. Take my beauty blender. The reason that I like to take my beauty blender on my no makeup days, well, I use this a lot actually, not just on my no makeup days, but it kind of dilutes the CC cream for me, because beauty blenders just in general tend to soak up a lot of the product. So it gives me a very light coverage, which I like. And even though it is still a very light layer of the CC cream, I still make sure that I'm getting my neck. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer now. I don't use a lot of concealer at all. I actually scrape a lot of this off. So I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. Going in with the concealer, I am just going to just get that inner corner, bring it down about midway, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with the beauty blender also. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this on my eyelids as well, because I don't want too much coverage, so I put that amount and then I just evenly distribute it all over my eyelid, the inner corner of my eyes, and underneath my under eyes. If you guys have any recommendations for concealers that don't crease, which is, I mean, I feel like it's impossible for me personally, but if you guys have any good recommendations, I would really appreciate it. Moving on, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. It's the Set and Smooth Normal to Dry Natural Beige. So this is what it looks like. Just gonna make sure that there are no creases under my eyes before I go in with this powder. And I'm actually just gonna go straight in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and take a Morphe M439. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty like short stubby brush. I'm gonna go in to that Maybelline powder, dust most of that off, and then just set my face. I tend to go in with my highlighter first. Do I not have a highlighting brush? Where the hell are all my brushes? This is very strange. I'll be right back. I forgot that I put them all in the kitchen because I was gonna wash them. So I'm using a dirty one. Don't judge me. I only used it once. I was trying to be a good girl and wash my brushes after every use, but I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so I'm going in with the Morphe M501. This is what it looks like. Revlon Skin Light's Prismatic Highlight in Daybreak Glimmer. I tend to keep my highlight right at the highest point. I'm gonna go ahead and take that on the tip of my nose, and on my everyday makeup looks, I just keep it very light on the nose. I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose. Do a very, very light on my forehead, chin, and then Cupid's bow. I'm going in with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil for light to medium skin. I'm taking a Morphe M527 and I'm dabbing that into the pan, grabbing a good amount. I love the way this stuff smells. And then just going into the hollows of my cheeks. Taking that on my temples. My baby hairs are out of control. So, because this is a very soft, minimal, if I had an everyday makeup look, I'm going in with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take the Morphe E22 and the Too Faced bronzer, dipping that in, getting a good amount, and then starting on my lids, just dusting that everywhere. And then I'm gonna go into the crease and just fluff all of that around, making sure that there are no harsh lines. And that's pretty much it. That's all I do. I'm gonna go in with an eyelash curler, and I'm just going to lightly curl my lashes. I'm taking the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. This is actually one of my favorite mascaras. And I'm just gonna go in and lightly coat my lashes. I really tried to keep my mouth closed. I can't do it, guys. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Luminous. It literally says Voluminous, guys. I'm sorry. Carbon Black on my lower lashes. This one is actually waterproof, and this is why I use this one on my lower lashes. It doesn't transfer on my under eye. It doesn't transfer on my under eyes. I almost forgot my brows. So with my brows on my everyday makeup look, I would go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. The shade that I use is 4.5. And I just go ahead and brush it through my brows. There's really no science to this, you guys. Once that step is done, I go in with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This has got to be the best brow gel I've ever used. So I lay this flat to my brow and I just comb up. I love fluffy, like, not perfect brows. What's the word I'm looking for? Like, fluffy, lived-in brows? I don't know. But for as long as I can remember, I've done this. I actually wanted to give the soap brow thing a try, since I really do love brushing my eyebrows up, but I haven't tried it yet. Have any of you guys tried it? Please let me know if you've tried it, how you like it, what soap do you use, because I think I want to try it. Or, idea, what I could do is do like a review of a soap brow. Maybe that's what I'll do, actually. Okay, so lastly, I'm gonna go in with my lip. Today I'm actually gonna go in with a Colourpop lipstick. What is this? The Lumiere Colourpop. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going in with a very light hand. I don't want a lot of this. It's very, very pink. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Dose of Colors Over the Top gloss. I'm just dabbing that on. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first talk through. Please bear with me. I'm just, you know, doing my best. How often are you guys wearing makeup? I'm very curious to know, because I can't be the only one that doesn't wear makeup every day. I know that. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop blabbing and get off of here. Please let me know if you have any good recommendations for me for, you know, everyday makeup, some light foundations or CC creams. Yeah, I would really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please share, comment, do all of that good stuff. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next one. Prismatic. No! Please tell me it's not broken. Please tell me it's not broken. Please tell me it's not broken. Bendito sea Dios. It's alive. Feel like right in the center. It makes your looks. Why can't I talk? Nala, really? Don't you know that I'm filming? Okay. Hopefully she won't. Nala, come here. So then, Nala, please! I'm filming!